Are you looking for the best gun cleaning kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gun cleaning kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, BOOSTEADY Universal Gun. The gun cleaning kit has a universal design where you can use it on all rifles, shotguns, and pistols for efficient cleaning. It comes with a durable and portable carry case worth 12.6 x 8.7 x 2.4 inches that makes it effective to transport and organize the cleaning pieces. You can use the cleaning rods, adapters, slotted tips, and gun jags since they have a durable brass construction. The cleaning rods go through strengthening, which prevents them from breaking with ease. Everything you need for your gun cleaning is in this kit, which makes it effective and quick for the cleaning process. It has 3 rods effective for 22 to 270 caliber rifles, 10 pieces of all calibers of threaded bronze bore brushes, and 3 rods suitable for all .30 guns. Both a beginner and a professional shooter can comfortably use this gun cleaning kit since it is friendly to all. At number 4, Otis All-Caliber Elite Range Box. You can comfortably use this kit to clean all rifles as it comes with 3 slotted tips, 2 patch savers, 2 and 3 inches 100% cotton patches for effective cleaning. The ripcords are specific to 4 firearms, which makes it quick and efficient while in the field for one-pass cleaning. It uses the 5.56mm BONE tool, which eases and reduces the cleaning time for a bolt, its carrier, and the firing pin. The gun cleaning kit comes with 16 bronze brushes, which are in different sizes, which makes it efficient for cleaning different guns. Breech to muzzle cleaning is efficient as the kit has sturdy memory flex cables with aircraft-grade construction in sizes of 2.8 inches, 12, and 36 inches. You can use it to clean different amounts of dirt ranging from small to large for reliable operation. At number 3, Hitaim Gun Cleaning Kit. You can use the Hitaim Gun Cleaning Kit on many rifles, pistols, and shotguns since the kit includes all the requirements. The kit is equally suitable for both professional shooters and beginners where it helps keep the guns clean. The kit arranges the pieces perfectly for easy retrieval and proper storage after use. The jags and tips have a solid brass, which makes them efficient for cleaning various pipes. All the cleaning rods and accessory adapters have a brass construction, which prevents them from damaging the barrel of the gun. The cleaning pieces come in a portable and durable plastic carry case that organizes them, eases their transport, and enables you to use them from anywhere. At number 2, Marksman Precision Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. Your gun, regardless of the type, gets a thorough cleaning with this gun cleaning kit, either for small or large debris. It comes with durable hard plastic and a portable carry case for convenient storage to avoid losing some parts, organization for easier retrieval, and easy transport. The machined jags have a sturdy brass CNC construction that prevents them from breaking in your gun barrels. The LED bore bright magnetic light is very effective in the cleaning process and comes with 5 inches that find and attack any deposits left behind. The light can run up to 8 hours for effective cleaning. The 13 pieces of solid brass jags ensure that you can handle all the calibers for the best results. Everything you need for a perfect cleaning is in this gun cleaning kit. At number 1, BROWNTC Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. You do not have to worry about plastics breaking in your gun barrel since the jags and tips in this kit have a solid brass construction that is hard to break. They are also easy and efficient to use since they have clear markings to show you the caliber you should use them on. It is comfortable to use either as a beginner or a professional due to the markings that enhance clarity. It is comfortable to use the BROWNTC Universal Gun Cleaning Kit on any type of gun where it comes with all the cleaning tools for a quick and efficient process. The handy carry case makes it effortless and easy to carry to different places of use, where it also ensures a perfect organization for easier retrieval. The case also protects the pieces from loss. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.